I'm Kenan Heppe. I'm from the United States of America, but today I'm in the city of Nanchong in Sichuan province. Fresh. This is a city that has not yet been destroyed by corporate media and big brands. There's true life here. So my day really started when I arrived at the Wooden Puppet Theater headquarters.
Chinese popular culture has developed rapidly in the past decade. However, the current state of traditional art is not very optimistic. There are fewer and fewer performers in the field, and inheritance is facing a shortage of talent. But a new generation of young people in China is gradually changing this status quo.
我叫曹富文，来自于四川南充。我现在是四川大木偶的一名青年演员。川北大木偶，它起源于民间家传艺术。它在清朝初期，它就流行于四川省仪陇县马鞍场一带。
The 300-year-old puppetry and its unique craftsmanship have played an important role in the show of the Captain Panda at the Pyongyang Winter Olympics in Korea.
它逐步的在发展，形成人偶同台、以假乱真的那种艺术风格。它必须要人偶合一，我人会了以后，我才能表演出来。我们现在开始就来打磨这两只手。我们打磨主要是2点，一是要轻，然后2是要顺着它的纹路来。这是女性的古代的兰花指，你手上的这个就是男生的手，你看他的手指没有这么的翘。然后它要体现男性的阳刚之气，
有很多手势是吗？
对。
因为这个我看有点像灭霸，对不对？ Thanos. So in showing me these carvings, I got to see, wow, there's actually a lot of embedded culture in these wooden puppets.
These traditions are not only a cultural expression, meaning the most essential part is the human nature accumulated over thousands of years, which also was passed down from generation to generation.
嗨，柯兰。
你好，你叫什么名字？
我是一个跳肚皮舞的舞女。
When I first saw this, I thought, that can't be hard. And that's me being kind of ignorant foreigner here.
看没有？然后再交叉。
OK。
你的腰粗了，所以我们要算在后面。好了。这个东西你先看一下，它是我们称它为高重杆。
OK。
有一点重哦，小心。右手拿着它。
So you share a center of mass. There's a lot of physics involved. And then you actually become one with the large wooden puppet. You move, it moves, which is really, really cool. But because of that, it is so subtle. If you shake wrong or move your fingers wrong, you lose control of the puppet. Ow! That was very hard. It requires extreme dexterity with your hand to wield these 2 bamboo sticks. I mean, I play piano. I have decent dexterity. This was hard.
我们在木偶表演的时候，人是怎样的，木偶才是怎样的。所以说，我们人的动作必须要做出来。中指要往下压，看到没有？其他的收拢。对。
Women move so elegantly.
这样子。
So once I got the hang of wielding the puppet so that it wouldn't fall over or that I wouldn't do something silly and completely make a fool of myself, I suggested we go to a park and do a little performance.
我就取不下来了。
Now there were 0 people around us when we got there, but as soon as people saw the large wooden puppets, they were like, oh, what's that? Check that out. And slowly, 5, 10, 15, 20, there were 100 people around us in less than a minute.
But one finally realizes the true meaning of the art when one injects new vitality into it.
There's definitely hope for this kind of art, this kind of performance.
This generation of young people was born in China's fastest growing era, and thus their vision is more international. They have a strong sense of national pride and identity. Therefore, they like the Chinese traditional art very much and are willing to rejuvenate it. Even in today's bustling world, there are still outstanding young artists like Cao Fuwen holding on to their dreams and carrying forward their inheritances. This is the hope for the development of traditional Chinese art.